Hey, we are here. Hi, Ellie James. We are here in Carson, Pegasus. Hi! Ayan ang mga bata. Ayan, oh. And then, look at the view. Ito yung view namin. And then, ito ang aming campsite. Yeah, everything is set up. Ito na po ang aming tutulugan for 2 nights. Hi, Han! Yan. And then, dito sila Papa Bird. Ayan, si Shen. Ninang Shen. Ayan. And then, yan. Oh, look at the view. Okay, you want to tell me something? Diba? Wow. Ayan ang... Ayan.
Dad, you want hot dog?
Oh. Maganda dito. Yes, anak. Wow. Hi. Are you happy? Oh, wow! Hi! Wow! Ayan, dun! Cool thing! Cool thing! Ayan, ito kami! Teka, ayan! Siyempre, dahil close ang shower, naglagay kami ng shower tent here para makapag-shower si James and Yael. Ayan yan! Okay, diba? Tuwan-tuwa mga bata kasi katabi lang namin ang palaruan.